Fifth reel, fifth reel, fifth reel. Oh. If you will tip me $5, welcome to the stream for you, my friend. And my bro, if you start being a normal viewer, you know, hey, good start. Maybe we can reconsider that because we do giveaways, so you can take advantage of it. Hey! We need here, baby. We need here, baby. Come on. Hey! Hey! Careful! Ah! Come on! Can get crazy in the fifth reel. Ooh, that's good. Sensational. Yeah. Yeah. 68.60. And we're going to get profit here, baby. Let's go. Come on. Come on. No. Okay. One more here, man. How many? 2 spin left, and we need one more on the fifth reel. One more on the fifth reel. Come on. And blue dogs. Fifth reel, please. Fifth reel. Fifth reel. Fifth reel. Oh. 235. Let's go. Good dog house. Good dog, baby. Good dog. Good dog. Good dog. Ah! Come on. Blue dogs. Full line. Okay. Good. Good, 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 good. 84 more. There you go, baby. 471. We're over 2,000 euros there.